I'm Diane. Thank you for joining me today. This is a great hand soap for people that have very sensitive skin, or if you just don't want to smell any scent when you're washing your hands. It has a little bit of honey in it, ground oatmeal in it too. So it's really pretty. This is a honeybee, and I could do the edges. I normally don't though, because these are little hand soaps. And it's pretty thin. Sometimes I make thicker ones, a little bit thicker. These are nice. This is my bug defense soap collection. So I will just let these cure, and they take about 2 weeks roughly, and then I'll just package them up. And this is my bug soap. It has ground spinach in it, spinach powder, and then it has alkanet root, which is an herb, indigo powder, which is the blue, and then it has carrot seed powder. So it's all made for soaping, and it's all safe for the skin. So this is 100% natural. So I just want to press this out. Hopefully it comes out. It's goat milk. You can see it has a little bit of blue in there, and it has the brown, that's the alkanet root, and then the nice green here is the spinach powder. So these came out really, really well. Another small soap in the summertime that's great is this lemon poppy. This is a dual one right here, so it has no exfoliant right there, and then you have the poppy seeds right in there, and that's great to get off any dirt or any grease or grime or anything from the fingernails or whatever that you want to get rid of. So poppy seeds are really good. It's a nice fresh lemony scent. And then here are some other ingredients that make this soap bar so great for the summertime. These are the poppy seeds that are added to the soaps, the little hand soaps you just saw. Another additive that makes great summer soaps, this is a clay. It helps to remove a lot of dirt and any grease and grime. And when I spoke about the spinach bug soap, I use carrot seed powder, and that's what this is right here. And I get that from Wholesale Supplies Plus, but that's another additive that you can add to your summer soaps. And if you enjoyed this video, the next video to watch is, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.